You take what you know, what you like. Whatever makes you happy, find something in that field. Me, it was hands-on and seeing sparks. No one tells you how your life should plan out or how your career is going to go. School has all these different paths, but classroom's not for everyone.
I love my patients and I take pride in my work. At the end of the day, as long as the patients are well taken care of, then that's all that matters. I got in it because I love people, and I felt like nursing was the best way that I could care for people. This is what I was born for.
People need people that can make things. This is wide open over here. You either got a stick welder in your hand or a hammer in your hand. You get to actually do something where you see it happen right before you. It's an asset you have with you the rest of your life. Nobody can take that from you, and it's a marketable, fluid thing that you can move wherever you want to go in life. These fields here in all of our trade schools all track out into good paying jobs into the future. The work's going to always be there in all these fields. You don't have to worry about once you learn this trade, hey, I'm not going to have a job. That's a really good feeling. Education and the corporate talk. They're interested in us. They're wanting to be involved with us because they got to fill those jobs and those needs in their areas. The things that these companies are wanting, we're checking those boxes for you. You come in and say, hey, if you do these things, we'd love to have you. And here's what we're going to pay you. And here's what you're going to be doing. Education and work ethic will get you places that you want to go, but you have to want to go there. Inside of you, you've got to want something for yourself and your family. If you want to make something out of yourself, you can do that.
Follow your heart and do what you want to do. You have got to be the one to step up to the plate and be your own motivator and be your biggest fan and push yourself.
You don't have to know anything. You just need to go in there bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. Just wanting to be able to get out of class to try something new. That's what the vocational school is. It's showing you that there's something different. Take that script that has been the traditional script and basically ignore it, push it out of the way. You find what you're good at and you run with it. There's no reason to change you to a standard. Just be yourself.